Ryan. Don't lick
Go
it.
like this. Go like this.
Smear it. Can you do that, Ryan?
That's okay. I can do it. I basically just got Steven to do the cheese.
No! He thinks he's ready to eat already. We're making it first. We gotta make it first.
Yummy.
Look, Steven's doing it. He's good. He knows what he's doing.
He's already done it once before.
You're seasoned.
He's a little bit...
You're a seasoned chef.
Of course, last time he mutilated it with a spoon.
So, well, I've learned, Mommy. You taught me a thing or two.
I think I'll give them each their own.
Look.
You want a spoon? Here.
He just licked his thumb because he had sauce on it.
This is the fun part. All right, Steven, yours is good. Let's put yours over there. All right. What do we do with the cheese, Steven?
Ooh. Are you going to show Ryan? Show Ryan what to do with the cheese. What do you do with it, Ryan? You put it on the pizza. Can you do it? Go.
Put it on here.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
No.
Can you do that, Ryan? Good job.
Yay.
All of it. All of it. All of it. Way to go, Ryan. High five.
Yay.
You know what you're doing.
Okay, spread it around.
Can you move it around? Good job.
Steven, you got a big old volcano in the middle of yours.
Mm-hmm.
You can't really mess up pizza.
Yeah.
Ow!
Is it good?
Yum, yum, yum. It's going to be even better when it's cooked. Steven's like, I want more cheese.
It's like pizza soup.